It may seem simple and straightforward to think that buying a home will likely require you to get a mortgage. However, if you aren't aware of the costs involved before you start, it may be difficult to make it to the finish line. Before you start looking for a home, it's a good idea to make an appointment to see your Encompass Credit Union lender about a mortgage pre-approval. To help speed the process along, it will be helpful if you bring a copy of your latest pay stub, last year's T4 or Notice of Assessment, a list of your assets, what you own, and a list of your liabilities, what you owe, to your appointment. Your lender will work with you to determine how much you can afford to spend on your home and how much of a down payment you can make. The down payment is a lump sum payment that you make to purchase the property. Usually, it represents the difference between the purchase price and the amount of your mortgage loan. You will need to be able to make a minimum down payment of 5% of the purchase price. If you are able to put down 20% or more of the purchase price, then you will get a conventional mortgage. If you make a down payment of less than 20%, then you will have a high ratio mortgage, which requires you to purchase mortgage loan insurance. This insurance fee will be added to your mortgage amount. Encompass Credit Union provides mortgage loan insurance through CMHC and Genworth, and your lender will submit this application for you. It is to your advantage to make as big a down payment as possible, because the bigger your down payment, the smaller your mortgage loan, and the less interest you will pay over the life of the loan. Once you have a mortgage pre-approval, you and your realtor will have a better understanding of which houses to look at, which will save you both time and energy. The pre-approval will also help you move much more quickly once you find that perfect house, because you will have gone through much of the approval process ahead of time. Just remember that even with a pre-approval, your offer to purchase should still be subject to financing and subject to a house inspection. Your realtor is also experienced and may suggest other conditions to place on the offer to purchase. There are other costs you will need to consider when purchasing a home. If you are able to get a conventional mortgage, your Encompass Credit Union lender will require you to get an appraisal done on the home you plan to purchase, and you will need to pay the appraisal fee. Your lender can help you choose an appraiser if you don't know one. If you need to have a high ratio mortgage, the appraisal is already included in the mortgage loan insurance you purchase through CMHC or Genworth. You will also need to purchase property insurance for your new home. A home is a big purchase, and it's important to protect your investment with insurance. Lawyer fees are something else you will need to plan on when buying a home. Your lawyer will help with some of the legal aspects of your home purchase, such as sending your mortgage to land titles and going over all your purchase paperwork in order to protect you from real estate fraud or any other legal problems that may arise from your property purchase. Purchasing a home may be the largest purchase you ever make, and so while these next costs are not required to get a mortgage, they are highly recommended. First, it's a good idea to get a home inspection done on the home before you buy. While this is yet another cost when you are buying your home, it's invaluable as the inspector will check the property, the home structure, plumbing, electricity, and so much more for any issues that may cause you problems. Their experience allows them to see and look for things that might otherwise go undetected. Even if no problems are found, this will provide you with peace of mind as you make such a big purchase. And if problems are found, you can determine if it is within your price range to address the problems, or if you should walk away and continue your search for the right house. Second, it's a good idea to get title insurance on the home. This will protect you against losses related to your property's title, such as any encroachment issues, existing liens on the property, title fraud, errors in surveys, etc. Once again, while this adds to the cost when you're purchasing your home, it does provide valuable protection and peace of mind. And of course, don't forget the costs that you will face once your home purchase is completed. You will need to pay property taxes, condo fees, insurance, and utilities. Also factor in any renovations you need to do before you move in, as well as moving costs when you plan your home purchase. There will also be ongoing costs associated with general maintenance and upkeep of your home. And don't forget that you'll likely need equipment for snow removal and lawn care as well.